Good morning from H2oLabs.com, and today we're going to be cleaning our H2oLabs countertop water distiller. This should be done only as needed as the contaminants in the water vary by source. The 300 SS that we're seeing now is my personal distiller that has about a month of use, which is about 30 gallons since the last cleaning. A link to the selection of our countertop water distillers is up on the screen now. The first thing we need to do is make sure it's not plugged into a power source. Next, we'll unplug the head, then remove it. Here you can see the contaminant buildup that we're going to be cleaning off. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of H2oLabs water distiller cleaner. A link to it is on the top of the screen. And then you add water to a little over the full line. Now we're going to plug it in to turn it on. Make sure the plug is dry when you plug it in and it's secure. Sometimes you have to press the reset button to get it going. If you're unsure the unit is on, you could always plug the head back in. If the fan turns on, the heating element is on. And now we let it steam for about 30 to 45 minutes. While it's doing that, it's a good idea to change the activated carbon pod in the nozzle. H2oLabs activated carbon pods are designed to last for 2 months or 60 gallons, whichever comes first. A link to them is on the screen now. The nozzle comes off easy. You just grab it and pull it away. The nozzle snaps back into place when you put it back in. Please bear in mind that while your distiller is steaming, it will be hot, so if you have any small children or animals nearby, please keep an eye on them. After everything has dissolved in the distiller, unplug it and let it cool down. Finally, just rinse it out and you're done. Here's what it looks like after it's been dried out. You can still see some discoloration towards the top. That isn't something to worry about, as the main purpose is to get the buildup we saw earlier off of the floor and bottom sides of the evaporation chamber. This is what to expect for a distiller that's been used for a long time. Mine's been used pretty much every day for years, and I can't wait to continue using it for more years to come. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 1-800-990-3560 or by clicking the link at the top of the screen now.